my COMEDK 2025 aspirants, this is a very important reminder video for all of you. So your COMEDK 2025 counseling process registration last date is tomorrow, and this video is just a reminder, and we will also be talking about how to register and what are the documents required if you haven't done yet. So the deadline is till 2 p.m. tomorrow, so please watch this video, understand everything, and then start registration before this 2 p.m. tomorrow, 24 June 2 p.m. Okay, let's watch this video in detail, very important. So first I'll tell you the important dates, then how to register and what are the documents required. Okay, so first of all, if you see the important dates here, so the registration for the counseling has already started from 9th of June 2025. Okay, and the last date was earlier 18th June, but now it is extended till 24th June 2 p.m. Okay, so tomorrow till 2 p.m. you will be able to register for the counseling process. Okay, so remember, if you do not register at this point of time, you will not be able to register later after the counseling process has started. Okay, so you will not be able to take part in counseling or get any college through counseling of COMEDK. So it is a very good safer side. You may be getting a very good rank in KCET or some other exam, and you are but still, as a backup, please fill this, do register, so that you don't have at the end tension that what if I didn't get any college and all, because you will have a backup option here. Okay, so if you are solely dedicated for COMEDK, that is also that is fine, but if you have attempted for other exams, then also please fill the registration so that you are on the safer side. Okay, because last year I saw many students did not get good colleges in KCET. Okay, they wanted to get through COMEDK, but they were not able to because they haven't registered before the they were thinking that I'll get in KCET, I won't register for COMEDK, and here's where the problem arises. So make sure that you are doing the registration before 24th of June 2 p.m. If you are watching this video on mobile or calendar or any other device, please put the reminder in the calendar. Okay, next here we will discuss on how to register. Okay, already we have made a detailed video on how to register, but still I want a recap of that so that you don't have any other issues while registering. So first of all, you have to click on the login, you have to go to the COMEDK page and log in to your I can say portal by using the application number and the password. Okay, so first you have to do login. Then there will be a counseling registration tab. You can see that. Click on the counseling registration tab. Next, verify the details and pay the registration fee of rupees 2000. Okay, so this 2000 rupees you have to pay for registration, and this is not refundable. Means even if you do not get any college or you do not join the COMEDK college, then also this money will not be refunded. Okay, so you have to pay this 2000 rupees to participate in the counseling process. You will be directed to PayU payment portal for initiating the payment. Okay, so once you have to check all your details, your names, rank, everything is correct or not, and once that is there, you have to go for the payment portal and pay an amount of rupees 2000. Okay, there may be some extra charges or convenience fee, some small charges may be there, and then you have to complete the payment process and check that the payment is successful. This message should be there that the payment is successful. In case of unsuccessful payment, reinitiate the payment again by going to step 1A. In case there is some net failure or balance is not there, some way the payment has failed, again you have to start from the starting number, from the first step you have to start. Okay, but make sure that the payment is successful. Once the screen shows a successful payment message, okay, only then you should proceed. Please close the tab and go back to your application form. Okay, so once your payment is done by your payment is completed, then you have to go back to your application form. There what you have to do, next thing, so here there will be document upload tab. Okay, so there will be one document upload tab. This tab will be visible only after the payment is done. Okay, so if your payment is unsuccessful or not completed, you will not be able to see this tab. Okay, this tab will be visible only to those students whose payment is successful. How much payment? Of rupees 2000. Okay, now once you have to do what, upload all the documents as applicable for you. Okay, you have to upload all the documents. Here a very important thing is there, please use scanned documents for upload. Okay, you might be knowing there are certain apps to scan the documents. One particular app which I use is your doc scanner. You can go to the Play Store and download this app, doc scanner. From that you have to scan all your documents. You have to just click and you have to scan all the documents and then you have to upload. Okay, photographs of the documents taken in mobile may be rejected. So if you are just directly clicking the photo and then uploading, that will be rejected. What you have to do, you have to do scanned images should be there. And just let me write down one particular app that you can use. For there are many, but one particular which I can know or which I remember is doc scanner. Okay, you can use this, download it from your Play Store and then you can use this one. Okay, next, uploading unclear or illegible documents may result in the rejection of your application and counselling registration. Document size should be less than 1 MB. Okay, your document size should be less than 1 MB. In case you are getting some documents whose size is more than 1 MB, you can also reduce the size online. Okay, just go to the Google and search compress photo size or something like that. You will find a lot of free applications where you can reduce the size of your picture. Okay, so every document size should be less than 1 MB. Okay, next, click on each document and recheck if the document uploaded by you is clear. In case the document uploaded is unclear, please upload again in the respective section. Okay, so you have to just check after you have uploaded all the documents, check whether the documents are visible, clear or not. Okay, if it is not there, re-upload it, retake the photo in a proper light and re-upload it. Next, frequently check your application form and email to understand the verification status. Okay, so the verification will be completed by 12th of July. So keep checking your application whether the documents are verified or not. Okay, fine. After this, we will see what all documents are required for your uploading. The first thing is your original ID proof. In this, what all things are approved? Your PAN card, passport if you have, voter ID, driving license or any other government ID proof as declared in the application form. Okay, so in the application form, whichever ID proof you have declared, its photo is to be uploaded. Okay, scanned image is to be uploaded. Next, your date of birth certificate. For this date of birth certificate, you have to only upload your SSLC or 10th mark card. Okay, no other date of birth certificate is required. You only need your 10th certificate, which will be used as your date of birth certificate. Okay, next, your 12th standard marks card. Okay, so do not crop top and bottom of the marks card. All information including the QR code if available should be clearly visible. Okay, so do not crop anything. So just complete image of your 12 mark card you have to upload here. Next, admit card or hall ticket of your 12th or 2nd PUC or equivalent examination. Admit card of your 12th examination. Okay, if this is not available because exam was over a lot of time before, you may have lost it. So you need to put certain information like your admit card information like roll number, school number, admit card ID, etc. in capital letters on a sheet of paper and upload the same. Okay, so if your admit card is missing or something, please contact your school or college. They will be having the data, they can help you in this. Okay, next we will go the COMEDK admit card. So this was recently you have used it, so that also you have to upload. Next, SC, ST, OBC certificate. Here a lot of confusions are there. Let me clarify you. SC, ST and OBC, this category can be claimed by only the students of Karnataka domicile. Okay, those students who have Karnataka domicile and they have secured 40 to 45% in PCM in 12th. Okay, if your marks is between like 40 to 45%, then you can claim for SC, ST or OBC category, and this is not for every student, it is only for Karnataka domicile student. So if these students are claiming, then definitely they have to give a proof of Karnataka domicile. So you have to also submit your Karnataka domicile certificate. Okay. Next, you have OCI and PIO document. So that is for overseas candidates. You have to, issued by the government, you have to upload that if applicable. Next, the students who belongs to Karnataka Kalyana region, that is KKR region, for them all the documents are mandatory. Other than that, they also have to submit this. Candidates claiming KKR seat should upload KKR certificate, 371J certificate issued by the Assistant Commissioner in charge of Revenue Subdivision. Okay, so Revenue Subdivision Commissioner should be reviewing this one or should be issuing this one, and the certificate should be in the name of the candidate. Okay, so these are the documents that you have to upload. So that's all in this video, students, and I hope that you are ready for your COMEDK counseling process. Tomorrow is the last date, so please do not wait till the last moment. There might be a glitch in the website or a crash in the website, as many students might be in the last one. So please try to complete this process today itself, and any doubt you have, put down in the comment section. I'll definitely address to it. Okay, thank you for watching and all the very best.